Hey guys, we're back. We're following up our last video of the Veeam agent on how to back up the computer. In this video, we're going to go through how to do a file level restore. Follow me. Let's check it out. Okay, gonna open up your Veeam console, which should just be here in your task tray. Gonna open that guy up. Hey. We're gonna highlight your job. And you're gonna do restore file. Gonna run as administrator, so go ahead and hit yes. Gonna go through and find your backup. So we have all these incrementals, and then the last full one I had was 49 days ago. Now we're gonna do the last backup from, we'll say 14 days ago. We're just gonna find a random file, and we're gonna hit open. Let's say you have a file that you noticed has been deleted and you don't exactly remember when. This is going to help you out, because then if you know at some point 2-3 weeks ago you had it, that's when you can restore it. So we're going to expand the users, go into your profile, and find the directory where that file is missing. So everything's in my OneDrive. We'll just go pictures, this folder, go into mine. Oop, not that one. Go into logos, SB, and we will just restore this guy. You click it, you right click. There's two options. You can do overwrite or keep. Always choose the keep option, just in case if you still have that file that has changes to it. Restore completed successfully. So now we're going to go into that folder. So navigate to that folder that you were at. And you're going to see it. Restored is going to be in the front. But it just restored that file. This video wasn't a big one, but it's definitely going to get past that confusion of, after we do the backup, how do we restore those files? And this is how you restore those files. So if you like the video, like, subscribe, tell your friends. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to go over next. Thank you for checking out the video. We'll see you in the next one.